Alright, welcome back to the T Squad. Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to make a car sound with nerds. All the nerds have to be inside. Alright, so what you gotta do, make sure like they're not sticking to make they can rattle. Alright, I'd prefer nerds over milk duds. Use the nerds, they're a lot better. So what you do, you're going to cup your mouth around the whole thing of the whole thing, like around the box, like this. Ooh. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go ooh or oh, like. What you're gonna do, make like a car sound like. What I like to do at the start, I usually grab these sides right here and go like this. This is for you guys today. I make a car sound or a race car sound going like street racing or something. Alright, thank you.